Hello everybody and welcome back to yet another little movie. And as you read on the thumbnail, this is going to be a Jon Olsson paint job. So, we're gonna do it with the little Dromida Rally car, because I think that's pretty alike to an RS6. I'm taking away all the stickers, so we're just gonna spray a little citrus spray on it. And the best way to get away glue from stickers and everything is with citrus spray. The citrus spray, you just spray it on and then it just pulls straight off. So if you've been having problems with the, like you see, the glue, I don't know if you really see it, but instead of sitting there and scraping, this is a really good tip for all you guys who have been problems with that. Citrus spray. Just a couple of drips and then the sticker glue is gone. And it really smells like orange. It really smells like someone is eating an orange like right next to me. And you always have to clean your body before you're gonna paint it. I'm gonna use some soap and water just to get off the citrus spray so the paint will really stick. I haven't used this body so much, so it's pretty nice. It's not no dents up or scratches or something like that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go and wash it, and you guys can come along. Just follow me and we'll go and wash it. If I tell you right here, my Swedish English is horrible. I'm sorry for that one. It's like when you live in one country, you talk another language and you have to go between them all the time. And then there's like a third language and a fourth language. Entonces habla español. No habla español, habla un poquito más que entiendo. No habla mucho, pero formar un porro. And then we have like Swedish and Norwegian is pretty much the same, but eine kleine Störung von fahrländlich eine Automobilen. Ja, wunderbar. Ni hao, ni hao. Och det här har vi dansk. Det är en höjdhögen. Danska det är nu. Så måste man prata svenska och så blir det lite svårt med svenskan ibland. Så må du snacka norsk. Och norsk är inte alla som känner. När du snackar svensk så må du ta an till några norska ord. Och det blir skickligt tajt. Je ne parle français. Je m'appelle Jesper. C'est la vie, no passaporte. Pardon. And we're back again. So, as you've been seeing on the pictures, that is how I want my new car to look. One of my first cars, but my old car to look like a new car, like the Jon Olsson car. And I haven't seen anyone do this on YouTube or like to any RC car, and I really like Jon's cars. No. I don't like Jon's cars. I freaking love Jon's cars. And I've been following for him on YouTube for like, I don't know, 5 years or something? 4 or 5 years. I saw his car down at Combo. We have the right side is going to be white. We have white. The middle part is going to be red. And then we have the outer part that's going to be black. Yeah, I think we're just gonna push on black first. So this is a familiar spot for me, for you, for everyone. This is where I painted my rat rod and where I painted my Ford Raptor and where I painted my little Dromida also. So I've painted 3 cars now. The Dromida was like this, so it wasn't like you paint from the outside and everything, but yeah, let's do it! I love my car. I don't know how many layers I'm gonna put on this one. So it's really important when you spray that you don't hold it in, that you like do it. because then otherwise the paint will start to drop. Because if you do that, it's still gonna drop, and that's not what we want. So I think the first layer is pretty good. I haven't decided if we're gonna do another layer, but we'll let it dry in the meantime. And see you next time. And we're back again, and now we have painted the body a little bit black. So this is the first layer. I don't know if we're gonna do a second layer. I'm gonna let this one dry, and then we're gonna look at it and see how it looks. So far, so good. Oh, are you guys back? Sorry, I don't know what happened. If you forgot to watch, or if I forgot to film, or I don't know what happened, but damn, it's done already. So the only thing I haven't done is lights, because this is a painting, of course, so I haven't done lights yet. But I was thinking about putting in lights in them. Just shuffling a little bit. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. So, Jon Olsson's new RS6 Plus, normal one, because he is a very not normal person. And this is not very normal RC car. It's not the prettiest job I've done. Usually you paint RC cars from the inside, but it's a little bit hard because this is already painted. So I had to just paint it from the outside. White and black, because they're both looking so damn good. And you got the red stripe in the middle. And I really do want to put on some of the normal one stickers. Not maybe I should do stickers, I should maybe just paint them or something. But that will be for another video. And today's video is over, and I really hope you liked it. And if you liked it, put it a thumbs up. If there's something you're wondering about, give it a comment down below, and I'll try to answer you as quick as I can. And if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribing, please consider to do so, because there will be coming many more videos of RC stuff on this channel. Have a really good day, a good night, a good morning whenever you're watching this. Have a really awesome time. Bye!